Hi guys, welcome to Zai's YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without watermark. So first you can install the download shortcut on your iOS. So you can visit the link on description. Okay, if you already install the download shortcut, you can see the video on TikTok. Okay, here we are looking for video for downloaded. So for example, this video, click three dots. Oh no. Okay, for example, this video, you can click share icon and you can click the dot on the corner and scroll. You can click download. Okay, please wait. It's process. This only for iOS. Download shortcut. Okay, already we can see on the gallery. We can open gallery. So this video without watermark. Okay, that is video how to download TikTok video without watermark. If this video helpful for you, you can click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.